You must have seen many magic shows. All magics are based on science. I also have something which you can call a magic show, and I'll just show you how science principle is involved in it. So what I have with me is a plastic glass, and in this plastic glass I am putting some water. So I am putting this water in the glass, it's a colored water, just to make it visible, better visible. And this glass I am placing here, and I am putting a handkerchief on this glass. So now the glass will become invisible, and the water in this plastic glass, that I would claim that will come to this another vessel, my favorite, lota. This is in earthen pot, and I have decorated it nicely to attract the attention, and there is some water in this which I am going to empty. So now water has been taken out and the lota is empty. Now my claim is that the water from that plastic glass will come to this empty lota. The lota is now empty. I have inverted it. I have thrown all the water out, but from this glass it's coming. Water is coming from the glass and is going in this lota. So that is what I have instructed the water. So the water, let's see, has some water come? Yes, you saw some water was there in the lota. Again, from the glass, water is coming and is being poured in the lota through our magic. And see, some water was there. This water came from the glass. Again, from this glass, more water is coming, and that water is getting accumulated in the lota. When I will invert, you will see it. So again some water was there. This water is coming from the glass. That is my claim, the magical claim, that although there is no connection between the glass and the lota, but still water is coming from the glass and is getting into the lota. Once again, let me see if more water is coming. And yes, you can see even more water. So it keeps coming. As many times as I wish, it keeps coming. So what is the magic behind it? Very simple, in fact. The special construction of this lota is the key point, is the crucial point. What we have made is this earthen pot lota, but in between, inside, we have fixed another plastic glass. You can see this plastic glass. This is not that lota surface, inside surface. This is the plastic glass surface. And inside this plastic glass surface, there at the bottom, you can see a hole. I have made a hole at the bottom of this plastic glass, which is inside and another hole is here at the outer part of this lota. So there are two holes. Now, so there is a space between this glass and this lota. So I put water in this glass, but that water also comes in this space between the lota surface, outer lota surface, and and air comes out from this hole, and water that I put in the glass is filled in this space between the two. So now when I close this hole with my finger and invert, the water here comes out, the water in the glass comes out, but the water in the space between glass and lota, that is not able to come out because I have closed that hole. And if water comes out from there, then there will be a drop in pressure and air has to go in, only then this water can come through that bottom hole and can fall down. So although this is empty, there is water in between. When I leave this hole, open this hole, outer hole, and put this lota on the table or in my hand, air gets into this space through that, and then water comes in the glass through that bottom hole. So air goes into the space between the two, and then the water is pushed through the bottom hole and comes to the inner glass. Then I invert, and that water that had come into the glass, that falls, and audience sees that falling water.